In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and use hyperlinks in Microsoft Outlook. Whether you're brand new to Outlook or just need a quick refresher, we'll walk through the exact steps to create clean, clickable links inside your emails so your recipients can jump straight to the right page or document. First, log in to your Outlook account. After you sign in, you'll land on the Outlook homepage. From here, select Mail to open your inbox where you can see all of your messages. Next, click New Mail to start a fresh message. You'll see a blank email window. Go ahead and write your email as you normally would, and think about which words or phrases you want to make clickable. Clear, descriptive text works best because it tells your recipient exactly what to expect when they click. When your text is ready, highlight the words you want to turn into a link by clicking and dragging over them. This highlighted text will become the clickable hyperlink. Now, look toward the top of the email window and open the Message tab. Inside that menu, find Insert and choose Insert Hyperlink. This opens a dialog box where you can add the web address you want to link to, paste or type the full URL into the field provided. Take a moment to double-check that the address is complete and correct, including the beginning of the link, so it directs people to the right place. A quick review here helps avoid broken links and saves your recipient time. When everything looks good, confirm your choice to insert the link. You should now see your selected words formatted as a link within the email body. From here, you can finish writing your message, add your recipients, and send the email as usual. Your hyperlink will be active, making it easier for people to access websites, resources, or shared documents without hunting for the right address. Hyperlinks not only keep your emails tidy, they also add clarity by connecting your message to exactly what you're referencing. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to add a hyperlink by selecting your text, using the Insert menu, and confirming the correct URL. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to leave a comment, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.